Number one
Jamaica, watch
killer for
this.
Caribbean men is prostate cancer. Now, my grandfather died from prostate cancer, so it is something that I actually take very seriously, and I am about to share with you, my viewing audience, the very first time that I did a prostate exam. It wasn't comfortable, was very awkward, but it needed to be done. So I remember walking into the office, told the doctor what was happening, why I wanted to do it. He's like, well, you're about 2 years off, and when we check it, but I can understand the concern, because prostate cancer, gentlemen, is not something that you want to get. And the last thing you want to do is find out about prostate cancer late. Yeah, so you want to catch that early, you want to catch that real quick. So, man, I do the thing, walk me through what's about to happen. And him say, go up on the bed and draw down your pants, your underwear, get in the feet up position. Now, it had dawned on me that this gentleman, yes, it was a man, had fairly large fingers. It was a taller man, so he did have big finger. And I'm like, no, I don't think this is going to work. He's like, relax, I'm a professional and whatnot. And on a side note, I don't think the doctors want to do it either. I don't think they get any pleasure from it. Gentlemen, get your men out, get your head out the gutter. They don't want to do it neither. But man, they lie down and them start the exam. And in the middle of doing the exam, it's like, hey, are you feeling any discomfort? Are you feeling any discomfort, doc? What am I teaching at school? That's not the question to ask at this moment. Me and you don't feel like talk right now. We are engaged in a conversation. I say, Brethren, talk to me when we're done. Me answer all your questions. Just do what I do and make with us. I don't want to chat to you with my pants down. So anyway, finish the exam and I say, alright, you're good. And I probably give it another year and a half before you check it again. And I appreciate that. And my prostate is something that I check every year. So you can imagine now, me glad said them have the blood test now. Yeah, you can do the blood test. I am tell you something. The first time I did that blood test, I was like, oh God. Took them too long to invent this blood testing. But prostate cancer is serious. Prostate cancer is serious, and while we're in the month of October, is really pink month where we are bringing attention to breast cancer and cancer that affects women. For my brethren them, my Caribbean brethren them, and for men all over the world, prostate cancer is